Yeah, man.
Already.
Got the clear coat curing here. We unmasked the stripe because it's
Like little kids with model cars, just couldn't wait.
yeah.
Gotta touch wet paint.
Yeah. So that's 4 coats of base, 3 coats of clear. I'm gonna open this back up when the time comes and put more clear on it.
You like silver? Man, look at that back end, dude. That thing is like grease lightning, man. Look at that.
Yeah, it looks wonderful. I wish the camera would pick it up better.
That thing is like moving 100 miles an hour and it's standing still.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't even think they cut the bucket.
No, man. You don't gotta touch that with the bug. It's wet. And that's because it was, what, 75, 72?
Yeah.
When we cleared with slow reducer.
Yep.
And slow activator to clear.
Yep.
Well, we're used to spraying 20 degrees higher. But when it's a little bit cooler, it flows just that much more and wets out.
Yeah, there's 3 heavy coats. Like right before running heavy
And
coats.
that's the reducer and the activator.
Went really heavy. Iwata 1.4
Yep.
silver cap.
2.5 turns on the fluid.
2.5 turns on the fluid, 30 psi. And we went to
And
10.
probably about 80% overlap.
Yes, a lot of overlap. And it was really heavy. We didn't get any runs anywhere at all. So that was good.
There was no bugs out.
No, man, the cold front just blew through, so there wasn't a whole lot of bugs.
Yep.
And I don't think you could ask for better results.
Yeah, look at that, man.
Well, we did have a couple holes in the paint
Where
right there.
Oh yeah, the paint didn't fill them holes.
I don't know what.
We got something to fill them holes. Man. And then, I mean, in talking, there's like no bugs
Yeah.
at all.
Yeah.
There's pollen and there's nibs or whatever, but as far as like dark colored bugs or anything like that, man, there's nothing.
Yep.
This is one of the cleanest jobs we've been able to get in the shop.
And it's silver, which is, I mean, right there in your face, man. It's not color like a high thing, you know.
Yeah, everything is great. It looks wonderful.
Yep.
Super wet. Yeah.
And that's due to the mobile light.
Mm-hmm.
We had hose man, we had
Yep.
light man, we had 2 hose man, we had light man, we had spray man, and we had mix man.
Yep. All a group effort here.
We already pulled off.
Mm-hmm. Golly, look at that. I can't stop looking at it, man.
Yeah, half of it's gonna be covered up with the Continental kit.
Which is not a bad problem.
Well, boy, you get it from all angles.
What, you need them?
Yeah.
Some silvery.
Seriously.
Some scrolls around the door handles?
Yes.
Yeah, pinstripe scrolls? Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're joking, by the way.
Just messing around.
Yeah. It's not our style.
Even the door jambs, dude,
Oh, yeah.
wet.
These things are soaking.
Door hinges, wet.
Yep.
Everything wet.
Gonna compliment the inside, even though this part would be covered up by carpet and all that stuff, it's still, look how clean that is,
Yeah.
you know?
No, it's a testament that, man, you can pull off professional work at home.
Yes.
But it's a lot of legwork and a lot of
Oh.
unseen planning that goes into play.
What do you think a shop would have charged you for this?
Oh,
I
man.
don't think a shop would charge it for less, they wouldn't touch it for 10 grand.
No.
Oh, man, no. 10 grand's a deposit.
Oh, yeah. I mean, yeah, I would say you ain't gonna find anybody that would put their hand on it for 10.
Yeah. Oh, man, that's just part of life.
Well, the thing is,
Painted belly.
That's what I'm
They
saying.
even take it off the frame.
nah, man, like,
Yeah, the bottom looks just as good as the top.
and then where are you gonna find that?
Yeah.
Where?
Not around here.
Go take it somewhere and wait,
Yeah, you can find it here.
Yeah.
and then they dick you around, take your money, and treat you like.
They're gonna ask you for 10 G's up front, 10 G's down the middle, and 10 G's at the end.
And then you still got to put the car together.
Yeah, so.
Man, look at that. This is the shot right here, man.
Look at that tail lamp.
Sheesh.
That thing is just—it's like it was dipped in paint.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like it was dipped in paint and pulled out. What's crazy is when the paint was being sprayed and the clear, this place was so foggy,
Yeah,
and
absolutely.
it's like a pig pen from Charlie Brown. Just a big old pile of dust, man. But when the dust settles,
Yep.
this is what you got.
Slap in the face. Bang.
Pig pen. Yeah, man. So.
It's gonna be my screensaver.
And you still gonna add more coats, John?
Yeah, clear, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna flow coat this thing. I'm gonna sand it again, 600 grit, and then put 3 more coats of clear on it.
So by the time it's said and done, you know, probably like 5 coats.
It'll probably have 5, yeah, because I'm probably sand one off to wet sand it. Yep. But man, I'm excited, man. Look at that. It's a long time coming. I remember the day I took this thing apart, the very first part, man, I was like, golly, this car it was clean. It was clean, but I knew what I wanted, and this is it right here. This is what I wanted. This was the vision.
Big man.
Is it really?
Yes, it is.
Still recording.
Is it really?
It is.
Everything is wet. Right, Bob?
So you're not like, what about that 59
I know it's a
convertible?
good song.
What about that 59 convertible you have?
What about that 58?
And the rest of the parts, the difference is immaculate. The doors look great.
Yeah, doors fabulous.
Everything.
Man, these suckers are hosed down, man, for real.
Man, dude, I'm telling you what. So 70 degree
Yeah.
with slow reducer, slow activator, Ford 1.1. That's the secret.
Yeah.
Thing with and glass.
You only give me a couple days of 70 degree weather.
Yeah.
March.
No, man. Like, I mean, I painted the blue car in November, Thanksgiving, and the 61, and they both were wet. But you try and spray at 95, it's like as soon as it's coming out the gun, it's dry.
It's drying,
So
yeah.
it lands.
Yeah.
When it lands, it don't move. Whereas this kind of just it lands. And it's like okay, right here.
Yeah, right. And where's this man? Shout out to this Dura Heat. Basically saved our lives. This thing is wonderful.
It'll bring up the temperature 10 degrees in
Yeah.
10 minutes.
And this big old shop. Man. All right, YouTube, this is a wrap.
It's probably gonna be another what? Not even 3 months before.
Hey, again, shout out to my club brothers and my son. This was all a group effort.
Get it done, man. Y'all should buy a hoodie.
Yeah, buy a hoodie.
Support the cause. Buy a hoodie, shirt.
Lone Star Lowe's.
Yeah, man.
Rusty Mijo.
We'll say buy beer. We ain't got no for sale.
Mr. Fredo. With that 68 and my son.
Project soon.
Project soon. There you go.
I think it's like a silver bullet.
All right, that's a wrap, YouTube.